Good morning, everybody. I'm on a road trip. Woo, woo, woo. I'm on my way to Longleat Safari Park, which is miles away. I am really excited because you might know that I love animals and I've wanted to go for a long time. The reason I'm going is it's actually research for a film that I'm writing, and I've used it as an excuse to just kind of go in the middle of the week and go see some animals. I have a slight concern that I got my car washed. So basically you drive through the safari park itself and there's like monkeys and lions and all the animals you can find. Slight concern that I got my car washed a few days ago, and then I went to the gym and I parked the car outside the gym. I came back to the car and someone had pelted my car with plums. So I picked off all like the plums and stuff, but I mean you can see like dotted around like on the windscreen there and stuff. There's like bits of dry plum around, and I'm not sure what the monkeys will do about that, and I didn't get a chance to wash the car again prior. So I'm about to go into monkey territory later, and I've got a glass roof up on here and everything, so I'm kind of hoping they're going to eat the plum juice, but we'll see. Anyway, road trip, we've got some snacks, we've got Percy pigs, we've got some crisps, I've got my partner in crime, Georgia. Show yourself, Georgia, if you want to.
Hello.
This is Georgia. Georgia works with me, absolute legend, and we're going to have a really fun day, see some animals. And what's really good is it's work, because it's research. I've got a really fun idea lined up for this in one of my films that I'm writing. Can't tell you about it because I don't want to ruin the scene for you, but I have to go and experience it to know what I'm writing about. So that's my reasoning for going to see some animals. Great day. Who needs a safari, hey? Look at those guys murmurating their bloody hearts out. What? Ooh, that's cool. Oh, we got pooed on.
Oh no.
A lot. Just look up there.
Wait, no, that's
No, that's poo, that one. That just landed. That one landed on me. Here we go, everyone. Longleat! Woo, road trip! We've literally just kind of crossed the threshold of the safari bit, and you come out to this area where there's zebras everywhere, giraffes everywhere, and they're so chill. Look at that one, he's just showing off to the cars. And look at the little baby ones eating. They have to sort of do the splits, it's so cute. I've never been happier right now. Look! I find giraffes so strange, because they're quite like compact that way. You know what I mean? Quite sort of short that way, but then just super tall. Oh, that one looks a bit sad.
He's got his head down.
Don't worry about it.
Best day at work ever.
The zebras have stopped the cars moving because they're crossing the road. It's an actual zebra crossing. My mind can't handle it. It's so exciting. God, nature throws in some weird shit sometimes, isn't it? Let's get a horse and paint it.
Look at this guy.
Yeah! Oh, look at you! We're now going into the monkey jungle. Warning! Monkeys are wild animals. They may bite, scratch, and spread disease. They really don't want us to go in here, do they? Oh! We have a monkey on our car, everyone. Hey, dude! I'm so happy. Oh, he's going on top. Hi! Oh my god, I'm just so happy right now. They're not causing any damage, they just get on and chill. They are a bit interested in the road plum on my car, and they're just having a little taste of it and everything, but the baby one's there. Oh my god, I've never been happier. And we've got like, this car's got a glass roof, so as they crawl along you can see it all, and it's magic. It's absolute magic. Although I have one concern, when they get on your car, they then jump off, and obviously you can't see them, and I'm terrified of running a monkey over. Look at everyone just crossing the road, it's so adorable. But can you imagine, they're everywhere here, and my car is electric, so it's silent. I don't want to hit a monkey.
The baby one with the parent.
Oh my god, yeah, look, there's one. Oh, he's having a cuddle.
Look.
he's after the parking sensor. Little bastard. He's pulled it off. He's pulled it off. Oh, sensor, shit. He's got another one! No! Excuse me, monkey.
He is munching on your parking sensor car.
That one's just chilling. So to avoid running over a monkey, I put my camera on here so I can see where they are. But as I was doing it, a monkey on the car in front of this guy was literally bouncing on his back windscreen wiper like a little trampoline. So funny. Look, oh, little bastard, that one. Oh my god! I have to say, I did do a walk around this car I had a walk around this car this morning, and there's no sort of dangly bits on it. The only bits that stick out are the wing mirrors. Everything else is quite streamlined.
They're literally tearing that apart.
They're loving it, aren't they? Little bastard.
Look at him hanging on.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. He's just going for a little ride, cruising with us. Got the camera out at the right time, didn't you?
Shut up. I just wanted to put it there, because then it's there.
Cool, just a field at this point.
Look at that one, its head's upside down.
Which one?
That was... Look, he's doing it again.
Oh god, what is wrong with you? There was a pheasant there. Boo!
Nah, I get them.
Boo!
Why are they booing?
Get better, animal.
What?
That's a pheasant. I want to see something exotic.
Oh, I get pheasants at mine all the time.
Yeah, I know, I want to see something exotic.
Rhinos?
Oh, here we go.
That's better.
That's better, isn't it?
That's better.
What
Those
animal?
stocky bums.
If you could be any... You're obsessed with their bums, aren't you? If you could be any of these animals that we've seen so far, what would you be?
Oh, a giraffe.
Oh, a giraffe. It's obvious. Well, obviously a giraffe. And you can't just say it like it's obvious, I need to know why.
Because look at them.
That is not a reason why. I need more than just look at them. But I mean, look at the monkeys. They were having a great time.
They
They're
were
mischievous.
cheeky.
They're funny.
They were.
I mean, I'd totally be a giraffe too, I think. God, they're big, aren't they?
They're so stocky. I wonder what they feel like.
Or to touch.
Really rough.
Or being one. When it feels like being one, or do you mean not to touch them?
To touch.
I'm so empathetic, can't I? What goes in here? The dinosaurs that escape.
Australian.
I sound Australian then.
You did, yeah. What goes in here?
Your attitude goes in there, I think.
Stop.
The
car.
person who picked them. Stop the car. Right.
Because I was trying to see, but it doesn't
Alright,
say.
trying to see where we were. So you would just stop because... I mean, it's just basically a straight line, mate. Look, you've got a rhino.
We're about to get to that bit.
Look at you trying to help me out of the way. Look, the rhinos are there. We've just gone past them, so we'll be about here. Tigers are next.
And lions. And cheetahs. Cool.
Stop the car, see where we are. Lions, I see a sign for lions. This is exciting. Big cats.
One down there.
One down there?
Spotted.
Oh, yeah. Spotted. Tiger sitting in the shade. But this is a tiger, or is it a big cat with black stripes painted on it? XOXO, Gossip Girl.
I wondered where you were going with that.
Kia, move over. Jaguar coming through. Another big cat in the big cat enclosure, mixing things up. causing a stir. Cat fight.
Oh, God.
You love my jokes. Look at you. God, it's cool. No, it's being chased. Oh! See that?
Yeah.
It chased the car. Keep your head in a swivel, G. Oh! And watch this lion cross the road in front of us. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at you! I reckon I could take him, you know, G. Should I get out? You are very cool. I really want to open my window.
No.
I really want to. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a big one too, with a big guy.
Yeah.
But oh my god, there's so many lions. This is wicked.
Oh, they're just like little cats.
No.
Big cats.
Yes. You get little versions of them that live in your house.
Cats.
Yes. Yes. Ooh, hyenas. What is a hyena? Is it from the dog genus?
Hyenas are not dogs. They are closely related to cats.
Oh, there you go. If you'd said that, like you weren't reading it, It would be really impressive.
You were driving past the sign, so it could be very subtle.
But if you just said it like, oh no, they're not dogs, they're related to cats, I would have gone, okay, you're very clever. But the fact you went, cheetahs are not dogs, they are closely related to cats, made me go, right, if you could smuggle any one of these animals in your car, which one would you smuggle?
They not hurt me.
They won't hurt you.
They'll be my pet.
Be your pet. You'd really like it if you had it in the back of the car, whatever it is, would be sitting there going, just really excited.
Okay. Does it have to fit in my car?
Yes.
So it can't be a giraffe.
I reckon you can squeeze a giraffe in, just, you know.
Not in my car.
No, well, in the back of this car if you want. Just knock out the window.
Oh, we're leaving it.
Knock out the glass roof. Fine. Oh! Well, that's the end of that then. Although I think we deserve to hear an answer.
Maybe one of the baby monkeys.
Yeah, they look like you.
Yeah.
Although, imagine what we do to the inside of your car.
Yeah. I know where we are.
Yes, that's Long Meaty House.
Yes.
Godgy. Go, Gadget Arms. There we go. We've just got out of the car to have like a little explore around the Longleat Adventure Park, and I've just checked the car to make sure like there's no damage, and a monkey did a poo on it. There's a monkey poo. You're coming back with me to London, I think, because I'm not touching you. There's more animals in this bit. This guy's a red panda. I'll turn him this way because he's really cute. Oh, look at his little face. Isn't he adorable with his fluffy tail? Oh, I like him. Get him clawing it. Penguin Island. For those of you who know, penguins are up there, top sort of 3 favourite animal, I reckon, because they are utterly pathetic. Kind of like my dog, but super adorable. There's one. I can see. Oh, you have to queue to get in. I do kind of want to get in. Hi down there. How are you? Look at him. Is he covered in poo?
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Little fella.
Look at their little bum bits. Aren't they brilliant? Absolutely useless. I love it. Look at you. We're in the butterfly house. I don't know why I'm whispering, but that's where we are. And you see this butterfly sort of eating an orange. Its little proboscis is coming out. Look at its weird little eyes. My camera's so close to it and it's like super chill. So we're stuck in a bit of traffic right now, and we're playing a game to see who can make their Percy pig last the longest. So they're really big. We've both got a Percy pig in our mouth. We're not allowed to chew, and we're sort of seeing who will go first. It's really hard to play this game. But actually, suddenly it feels really big. Can you spit it out? Anyway, we'll report back. What were you going to say? Quite nice. Yeah. We'll report back to you with progress on the journey home.
It's special.
It's what? Try again.
Soft.
It's soft. Wait, maybe we should do a time now. Oh, mine's turned around now, so it's the wrong way round, so I've got my ears pointing that way against my teeth.
My ears are that way.
Oh. I want your ears that way.
Why?
Yeah, it's kind of more like dynamic to the mouth. And the ears falling off.
This is right.
It's not quite. I really need to get an employee with longer arms.
How rude. What?
Oh my god, I really want to chew it.
Do it then.
No. So costly. I think I can do it with your mouth.
Making my mouth look gross.
Yeah, it's really unpleasant. You know what, it's gone.
It's gone.
Gone.
I win.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I've got loads there.
You do have loads there.
Can I show it?
Yeah,
What if you're a lion?
What? I haven't got one anymore. I'm not going to suddenly... What's he going to do? Fire you?
No. tell me I've lost because you're
No,
lying.
no. You can look at my mouth if you want.
All right. I won't.